In this video, I'm going to give you a peek inside of the Acabado theme provided to us, Project 24 members, by Income School. Let's get started. All right, so as you can see on my screen, this is what the Acabado theme looks like. Actually, quite honestly, it isn't exactly what it looks like. I don't have it completely filled out, but you can get a rough idea as to what it looks like. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this is because Income School Project 24, the owners, Jim and Ricky, they actually give this theme to you if you are a Project 24 member. If you are looking to get started with Project 24, there will be a link in the description. That link will take you to a free webinar, and that webinar will actually be hosted by Jim and Ricky. They will tell you step by step how they go about creating passive income for themselves and their family. So let's take a quick look. We're going to take a look at the front office, which is my website, alstongodbolt.com, as well as a little bit of the features that are offered in the back office. I'll show you some changes, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So here, it's a very clean, very straightforward theme. This is what it looks like. I have a few images, a few blog posts. On the right-hand side, it has an about us or about me, some legal information, which is quality, and then places for either affiliate links or even advertising. So that's there. At the top, you have your logo. Here you can actually put a couple boxes with different types of content, and I'll show you how to do that and what I'm talking about in just a moment. But I want you to get an idea of what it looks like and the reason why this is such an incredible opportunity for you. If you recall in some of my past videos, when I started September 7th of 2018, Project 24 was all about blogging content. It was 60 steps to create your passive income, your first website, which will eventually lead to passive income. Since that time, they've given us a free WordPress theme, which you're seeing on the screen. They've also given us a YouTube course or YouTube mini course, a Pinterest mini course, and actually I think they just added a mini course on info products. So they really are taking great care they're taking great care of their Project 24 students, and they're helping them to find the level of success that they're looking for. So if we just take a quick look, click menu, this is the different options that you have. Let's take a quick look at the back end of the Acabado theme so we can really get an understanding of how it works and why this is such a good opportunity for you. So if we take a look, I've already have it open. All right, so here we are at the WordPress dashboard for my Acabado theme. This looks very standard. It's the same WordPress template or back office or back end that every other WordPress site looks like. But the differences between this Acabado theme and some of the other WordPress themes that are out there is they have added book reviews, product reviews, recipes, video reviews, Acabado settings, and Acabado Manager. And so those are some of the things that we're going to take a look at. Let's start all the way down at the Acabado Manager. All right, so free updates are included. It looks like I'd probably need to update a couple versions behind. I'll do that off screen. And then this is where you would enter in your account. If you're a Project 24 member, you would enter in your license. The cool thing with Project 24 and this Acabado theme is you can put it on an unlimited number of WordPress websites as long as you are a Project 24 member. So that is it. There's not a lot to cover here, but let's take a look at the settings menu. Now, the settings menu offers a number of different configurations, which we'll take a look at. As you can see here, this is where my logo is. I should actually go in and change my logo. This is an older logo that I have on here, but if we look, we can add the favicon, which is this little box up here, and what that looks like. Enable book reviews, enable product reviews, recipes, which we'll take a quick look at. They actually have a video tutorial for each of their additional features. And so they really took great care to make sure that you were successful and that you didn't spend a lot of time trying to figure out this theme. That's one of the benefits of this theme is it's not designed to be very confusing. I deal or have dealt with a lot of different themes in my past, and some of it is just downright hard to figure out. While some of it you have to go into the PHP settings and make configurations and changes that way. The way that this is set up is it really takes a lot of the guesswork from the user, and it makes it very straightforward, very linear. Bounce protection that I have set to on. Check out this article. Is affiliate marketing a business? Custom CSS, custom JavaScript. This is all pretty pretty standard. But if we go down to colors, this is where you can obviously change your colors. And my primary color is 1579AA. 1579AA, yeah. And as you can see, that's there. If I change this, let's change this to red. And then we're gonna click update. So that is updated. If I refresh the screen here, you can see changes or impacts that made. I'm just gonna change that back to 1579AA. Click save, and it gives me that opportunity. So again, and you can just go through and play with this. Once you're a Project 24 member or you purchase the theme, you can just go through and make these changes, and you'll get an idea of what changes impact what settings, or what settings impact which changes. We continue on. That's basically really it. If we go down to footer ad, if you want to add, let's say you're working with Google AdSense, you can add your footer ad down here. If we go to the home page, what I have not set up, hero copy. I'm going to say I am a hero, and then say learn more, hero button link. We'll just do that one, and then I'm going to add an image. And once I do this, you'll see right away. Let's see what I've got in media library. You'll see the dramatic change that occurs. I'm just going to choose this one. Image must be 12. I don't think I have an image that large. I'm going to create one real quick just so that you can see what that looks like. All right, so I'm back. I just popped over to Canva real quick and grabbed an image that was 1200 by 400. And so if I just click update, you're going to see what changes were made. You'll see an actual hero image at the top of the screen versus what I have now. So if I just click refresh here, I am a hero. And then this is the template that I grabbed from Canva. If we look, as you can see, if someone clicks this link here, learn, it'll take them to Affiliate Marketing Baseball, how to make $300 a day with baseball. I'm just going to click back here. But this is a cool, great way to send someone directly to maybe a high traffic blog post. You could actually send them directly to your affiliate offer, or one of your products that you're promoting, a product that you're selling, an info product. So you can put that there. I'm gonna have to go back and change that so that when people navigate to my site, they don't see that. So if I click save, and probably the best thing about this theme is that it's very easy to use, very simple to navigate. You don't have to spend a lot of time trying to figure stuff out. Very, very easy. I want to change this, so we're just going to make that quick change again. Then if I go down to sidebar, the one thing that I want to show you I actually can't because I don't have the latest update. So I'm just going to go to sidebar here, and the sidebar will be, obviously it'll be this section here, and this is where you'll add in again your image, a little bit about yourself. You can add in any ads that you want to display, and so on. If we continue on SEO, this really is all done for you. You don't really need to enter in this information unless you want to track it, but that's not required necessarily. So I went in and updated, and the reason why I updated is I wanted to show you a little bit more about the homepage and the changes that I think are pretty cool. So we have this hero image. You can also add these images, and the images can go directly to either, like I said, it could go to an affiliate offer, it can go to a blog post, it can go to a product recommendation page, or whatever. So if we did, let's say we'll add feature, we could say products, say my product. And then I could say, let's just put ESPN for now. If we wanted to add an image, let's add that image click select, and you can add up to 6 of these. So I'm just going to do 3 so that you can see. My products 2, and then my products 3. I'm just going to add a couple different images. We'll do that one, and we'll do that one. So if I add those 3 and I click save, and then if we click refresh, so this is what it looks now before the update, and then this is what it looks like after the update. So again, you can add 6 of them, and you could have one of these go to your product recommendation page, one go to an About Us page, and one go to your favorite blog post that gets the most traffic, or that draws the most revenue for you. So if you just click my products, it will go. I have mine set to ESPN, so that's why it's not going to work. But if, let's say, let me grab one that works. So if you look up here, it says ESPN.com. If I go to, let's choose this. And if I go back down here and I change that to this, and then let's see what happens. We go home, click my products, and then as you can see, it takes you to that page that we set it to. Very easy, very user friendly. I just added in everything after my domain name. And again, you can do this up to 6 times. Anything more than 3 probably gets a little excessive, but that's up to you. You can also, let's scroll up. All of this is standard for WordPress. Testimonials is, I think testimonials is for the other theme that I had on here. YouTube's is a different plugin. If you go video reviews, this is where you could actually add a page for video review. I don't have any video reviews, so it obviously doesn't help, but I could do add new, and then let's say we'll go how to make money with blogging. That would be the title, and then we can actually embed the URL. So I would get a URL from YouTube. So let's try just youtube.com. That's probably not going to work either, but if we want to do in a featured image, we can do that. Let's see if we can preview and what happens. It's probably not going to work because I just have YouTube and it's not an actual video, so it might throw an error. Might be a problem. So yeah, as you can see, that's a problem because I don't actually have a video here. Let me see if I can grab a video real quick. All right, so I went and grabbed one of my latest videos from YouTube and I posted it on here. So if we could add an image if we wanted to. Let's give it a 5-star rating, and then we can actually add in an Amazon affiliate link. Let's see what happens if I just do Amazon.com, and then let's click preview again and see what happens. So there you go. And then as you can see, this is much different than the other video. The other video just said youtube.com. This one actually has my video, and then you can just click buy on Amazon, and that again doesn't work because it's just Amazon.com. So there you have it. I don't actually use the product reviews, the book reviews, or the recipes. There are video tutorials on how to use them and why they're different than just blog posts or other pages. If you are looking to get started with Project 24, make sure you click the first link in the description. Again, it'll take you to a webinar created by Jim and Ricky, and they will show you and tell you how they make money with YouTube, with blogging, and so on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.